Negotiation isn't just for boardrooms. It's everywhere your career, your relationship, even your daily decisions. But most of us, we're negotiating the wrong way. Chris Voss, an FBI hostage negotiator, says the key is not splitting the difference, it's never splitting the difference. Today we'll be discussing about the lessons we learned from the book Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. We've been told that negotiation is a zero-sum game, meaning someone wins and someone loses, or that we should meet in the middle to keep everyone happy. But what if the real secret is deeper than that? Voss' book is a masterclass in listening, empathy, and human psychology. And these lessons, they can change your life, whether you're buying a car or repairing a relationship. Before he was a best-selling author, Chris Voss was an FBI hostage negotiator. For 24 years, he faced down terrorists, bank robbers, and kidnappers. Situations where stakes were life or death. What he learned in those high-stakes situations? The power of empathy, the importance of silence, and how to get real solutions, not just half measures. Here's the big myth that compromise is the best path. But compromise usually leaves both sides dissatisfied and creates a shaky foundation. Half wins to half commitment, nobody truly heard. Short-term fix, long-term resentment. Imagine negotiating your salary. You are worth 70,000 US dollars. They offer you 50,000 US dollars. So you split the difference at $60,000. But that leaves you both feeling a little cheated. There's a better way. Voss lays out several powerful strategies. Let's break them down. First, tactical empathy. Understanding their perspective without giving in. Number 2, mirroring. Repeating key phrases to build connection. Number 3, the power of silence. Letting awkward pauses work for you. Number 4, labeling. Naming their feelings to show you are listening. Number 5, calibrated questions. Questions that start with how or what to guide the conversation. These strategies might sound simple, but they're rooted in deep psychology. They work because they make the other side feel heard, seen, and safe. Let's go deeper on tactical empathy. This is not about agreeing. It's about showing you understand. A while ago, I was negotiating with a client who was stressed about budget cuts. Instead of arguing, I said, "It sounds like you are worried about stretching your resources." Suddenly, the tension dropped. They felt heard. We found a creative solution and built more trust. Mirroring and labeling are magic because they tap into how our brains work. We are wired to feel validated when someone reflects our words. Next time you're in a conversation, try mirroring. They say, "I just don't have time for this right now." You respond, "You don't have time for this right now?" It feels almost silly, but it works. They feel you're truly listening, and that opens the door to real solutions. One of Voss' most surprising points: no is not a rejection. It's the start of real conversation. Why? No is equals to safety. No is equals to honesty. No is equals to boundaries. Instead of chasing yes, chase understanding. When someone says no, they're telling you what they don't want, which is the first step to finding what they do want. After reading Never Split the Difference, I started using these tools in everyday life. Talking to family about plans, using how questions instead of why, negotiating work deadlines, mirroring and pausing instead of defending. Even when I bought a used bike, I labeled the seller's concern about letting go. And every time I got a better question, not by force, but by listening. Here's what it comes down to. Negotiation isn't a fight. It's a dance. The best negotiators are not the loudest. They are the best listeners. Chris Voss says, "He who has learned to disagree without being disagreeable has discovered the most valuable secret of negotiation." So, next time you're in a tough conversation, try this. Pause, mirror, label their feelings, ask a how question. You'll be amazed what opens up. Drop a comment. What's the biggest negotiation challenge you're facing? Like and subscribe if you would like to receive daily book reviews like this one, if you're ready to become a better communicator and a better human. See you in my next video. Enjoy my free email newsletter. Just visit kevinmali.com/free.